You are about to enter the world of CHD 2324. This is a 2000 level course which assumes you have a basic understanding of child development. The emphasis of this course is on language and communication. We start out with language acquisition, move to literacy environments, learn about phonics and phonemes and other strange vocabulary words, but hopefully by the end of the course you will have a better understanding of reading and language arts. Let's spend a few minutes looking at the requirements for the course. Several assignments will require young children. If you can't find any, please let me know early. The ongoing assignment is web discussions. We can't have in-class discussions, so you will communicate with each other on the discussion boards. This is 18% of your grade. You will respond to the discussion topic with 300 to 500 word responses, and then you'll respond thoroughly and completely to 2 of your classmates, 100 to 200 words. There are 7 topics. I do not like to see words like I agree. Always be very specific with your responses. And remember, proper spelling and grammar also counts. Project 1 is our environment project. You will create an early childhood learning space, showing specifically the literacy areas. If you're already teachers, photographs work real well. PowerPoint has some shapes you can use to create a graphic layout if you are not in a classroom. Be creative. If you really don't know what a print-rich environment is, you will by the end of this project. In Project 2, we zero in on children's writing and artistic development. Some of you will be surprised to discover how closely these two are aligned. You will need some children to draw and write for you for this assignment. You will then analyze their works and relate it to their developmental level. Most students find this a very enlightening project. That gets us about halfway into the semester. I need to administer some valid standardized measures, so you will take a predominantly multiple choice test. There may be a few short essay answers as well. There's a great deal covered in this course. Therefore, theories and plethora of vocabulary are very important. I don't expect you to memorize, so as you can see, books and notes are allowed. Project 3, you will be assigned to a small group. The group will work to produce a list of language resources and activities, as well as some research websites. You will then share these. Hopefully we will have time that we can share those with the rest of the class, so you will have a pocket full of resources and activities by the end of the class. Project 4 will require that you use a set of early learning standards. Several are provided in the module. If you already use a set in your practice, you may feel free to use those. You will use these standards to create 5 developmentally appropriate language and reading art activities. Hopefully these are activities that you have used or that you will try out. Extensions for families will be included as well. Most students find this a fun activity. The last project is the most in-depth, but probably the most beneficial. You will create a bibliography of 20 children's books, giving a short summary and a developmental activity for each. Yes, it is a lot of books, but if you start now, you will easily have more than 20 because children's books can be very addicting. Besides, it always makes a great conversation starter. What children's book do you remember from your childhood? And last but not least is our final. Again, books and notes are allowed, but you will only have one attempt and there will be a 3-hour time limit. So please find time now and put it in your schedule. How will you get through all of this? You will definitely need several hours a week. The textbook is excellent. We read every chapter. The modules have extensive additional readings. Do I expect you to read everything? Of course, but you probably won't. What I do expect is that you will get out of this course what you need and what you want. I've asked for some of those expectations in your introduction, but never hesitate to ask me to provide what you need because each of you are in different situations.